My dog is outside the gate. When I went out, the dog also came with me, but it did not come inside with me. It's outside. See, it is giving sound and alarming me to open the gate. It's outside. See, let us go near and open. See, it will show its language through its sound. See, because of very hot, it's making sound to open the gate. Kut গৈছিলা huh? Kut গৈছিলা Kile ahana মোৰ লগত? Why didn't you come inside? Kutu? Taka. Outside taka. Be outside sometime. Okay? Okay? It's very hot, so wagging its tail and showing its urgency for me to open the gate. So, I'll open the gate because it's very hot. See. Open with your leg. Yes, see, with its leg opening. Open. See, with its leg opening and gone inside. Yeah, they have sense. They know how to speak with their owner without words. And they show their gratitude through wagging their tails. Now it's resting under the car. Yes. Kutu? Kut Gosla. Where did you go? Naughty. I will not open the gate.